When you take out a loan or use a credit facility, you might be focused on the immediate cash you get, but what often gets overlooked is how your repayment behavior impacts your future borrowing power. The short answer to the question, can slow repayment lower my cash out limit, is yes, it absolutely can. Lenders use various metrics to assess your risk. Your repayment history is one of the most critical factors. A cash out limit, whether it's on a credit card, a line of credit, or a mobile loan app, is essentially the maximum amount the lender is willing to risk on you at any given time. This limit is not static, it's constantly being reevaluated based on your financial habits. If you consistently make late or partial payments, the lender views this as a sign of increased financial strain or poor money management. To mitigate their risk, they may decide to reduce your available cash out limit. This is a protective measure for them, ensuring that if you default, the loss they incur is smaller. It's a direct consequence of your perceived trustworthiness declining. Conversely, making timely and full payments can lead to the opposite result, a higher cash out limit and better interest rates. Your payment record is a powerful tool. Using it responsibly not only helps you avoid penalties but also builds a strong financial reputation, which is key to unlocking greater access to funds when you need them most. Always prioritize paying your debts on time to keep your borrowing power strong.